So you're probably thinking, where the fuck have you been? And that's a fair question, but I have the answer for you. I've been working on some new videos for a channel called Pimp, which is a Welsh language channel, and I will link you my latest video at the end of this. But for you, I will show you some weird outtakes from when I was making that video, which were unexpectedly musical and foul-mouthed. So make sure to click on the link at the end. Do me a favour. Bye bye. Oh, and maybe I'll be doing some new videos here soon. Mae 'na pethau yn y byd 'ma. A PlayStation. I did a couple of takes, you fucking piece of shit. One of those is gonna do. Tits, 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 tits. We're having a good time. We're having tits, I mean. O'r holl draddodiadau. Shman! Geniuses, ysgol. I'm fucking recording. Oh, okay. Oh, we're kind of getting there. In 1997 and saith. Plenty of time left. Ouch. Great. No, I'm making marks when I should be making love to ya, bitch. Love to ya, motherfucker. One of those will do the trick.